my beautiful people. It's the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic now about Nigeria airport. Nigeria. Monitala Mohammed. Now, wow. I see one video where just like make me shocked like seriously. I see the video where Nigeria um airport, when I see say say if you want board for that Nigeria, I don't understand the way they say they behave really. Like the thing they shocktalize me. If you want board for that airport, I don't know why they always the one task person. I don't know why they always the one task person. E no good. Maybe we see they take am easy. If you go Nigeria now, you want comot. Now so they will say this one go say drop 5,000 for me. The other one go say drop 50,000. Okay, your own country again, they go dey tax you anyhow. If you dey go Nigeria, na problem. If you see they come back, na problem. I no understand. Now that Nigeria airport, if you dey go Nigeria, if you come down, you want pass. They'll say when the passport where you take travel that time, they'll come ask you passport where you take travel that time. Mentally people, as they can't do person reach, na be that one. Then if you don't come see and give them like a passport where you take travel for 10 years ago, they'll come they ask you. Ask me whether that passport still they exist now. They'll come they ask you. Then if you don't come see and give them, they'll come ask you say may you drop something for them. May you put the money for inside their pockets. If you come down, now know that Carello wey person they carry, say they travel. That Carello, you carry them. You want go you just see somebody. I remember when I go Nigeria last, the person say he want help me carry my bag. I say I'm not saying you. He carry and finish now. They wait make I can't give her big money because now Euro go there with me now. Now Euro I will can't give her. Then my brother give her 1,000. He said the money too small. Me saying you understand? Okay, now. I see they come the video and where be say they tax the money. Say what it they inside their bag. The food stuff where they inside. If I come my country, if I don't go buy food stuff as I they come out, me I don't understand una really. I don't understand. I don't go buy food stuff. Now wow, my darling people, not the way Musa no go see forget oh. So now the people, I will put the video more on listing where they talk for them. I don't know why Nigeria airports be like this. I don't know why. You go Nigeria embassy, they go do you. You go Nigeria airport, the same thing. Wait till una say me person do. Wait till una say me person do. Now what for una? Now what for una? Una all pass Joromi. Una all pass Joromi. Una to the disturb person go Nigeria. Your whole country no go feed drink water make you keep cup. Okay, see people want board now. They say me they can't drop 50,000 because of things where they put for inside their bag. Not be their things. You go other African countries. Me, I don't travel where I don't go other African countries. They know they even disturb person like this. They know they even disturb person. Why it be say our Nigerian and then they always disturb person like this? Now that they always do this thing. Why? It's not good for now really. That eye where they say they look on, I'm gonna stop them. I just say maybe ever since they don't even stop this thing. No, they're not gonna stop. They're not gonna stop because they are all past Joromi. Can you imagine, my darling people? Can you imagine? Can you imagine your whole country? Your whole country, you go. They not go let you drink water, may you keep cup. Your whole country, again, your own. Why Africa people? Why they be like this? Why? Why it be say if you that airport, they know they ever change. I say if you they come out, they go tax you, so all your money go finish. This one go say drop something for me. You also go where they want for stamp your passport again. They do African people this thing. They do also be say that bribe we must want collect them. They do us. They do Nigeria people this one or Igbo people. Which I on assembly they say look us. Which I see people travel now. Una no want let them drink water. Make they keep cup. Una no want let them get peace for that Nigeria where they go so. Why una life be like this? Why? Why una life be like this, my darling people? I go put the video now more on list about myself. More on see what they make me they provoke like this. Nigeria airport, una need to receive sense. Una own don pass Joromi. Oh, this una bribe, una take am easy. Una take am easy. Una not give person money may you for Europe here. If you dey go, they go control. If you dey come back, the same thing. Now, wow, not to when Musa no go see forget. My darling people, I will put the video now more listing. Bye.
Yes, sir. We have right. Just a video.
Life in Lagos, in the international airport.
Which place?
Carry your go there. Let us leave the group.
No, what you say whether I want to ask question. You there, they ask you, say I go there. We charge anybody. We charge anybody. Me no dey quarrel with. Me no dey quarrel with anybody.
Why do you want to Paladia? Nobody's going out.
Is this what happened? Nobody has no. So I don't have right to bring anything to my country. Huh?
Personal effect. Personal effect.
But this is not a bag. My bag is bag. I have clothes and shoes. Any other thing? Yes, I understand. But you charge for clothes and shoes. Why clothes and shoes? Why clothes and shoes?
What clothes and shoes? We're not tying, you know.
No waste now. How do you know? We are not buying and selling. We are not buying and selling. For what does carry from? What are we paying for? 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 That is why you have to come. Cargo will still go feed the cargo. Near my plate.
Which kind of cargo? Na cargo flight. In a cargo airport. Nako not going there.
Yes, which luggages? Which says cargo? What people cargo? Scatter this down.
Bro,
Forget about that. Forget about that.
let your come out. Just wait. No, come and wait. What do we mean by cargo? This is international airport. It's not cargo airport.
What do we mean by cargo, man?
This one a cargo.